You see, one of the most common questions I get is, Albie, if I'm stuck at home with nothing but Wi-Fi and a dream, what's the best faceless YouTube niche I can start that actually makes money? And for the longest time, I never answered this. Not because I was hiding anything, but because most of you aren't ready for what I'm about to show you. But today, I feel generous. I've got 7 brand new YouTube automation niches, and these aren't just random ideas. These are proven. I'm talking channels pulling $10,000+ a month, some of them in under 30 days. And I know this works because I personally run multiple channels doing exactly this. And most of them hit the $10,000 monthly. I'm not one of those gurus that claim to have been in this game since 2006. I literally started 18 months ago, and I have found my way of growing multiple faceless channels and pulling in big numbers. So I'm only sharing my knowledge and what I have seen working these past 18 months. So buckle up, because this list is going to change how you look at YouTube. Now, first on the list is this one that answers questions about space in a what-if format, and it's called Gravipole. It's a new channel with the oldest video being only 6 months old, and they are pulling millions of views monthly. If we open one of their videos, we can see that they are making these animations that, if you look at them, doesn't look that they took a lot of time. But if we go further into it, these are some animations that might take a bit more time to create. So I would probably outsource this to some animator, but for this niche, the most important part is the ideas. So what I would do for this one is simple. I would just take a screenshot of these videos, upload it on ChatGPT, and ask it to write me 10 ideas inspired by the viral videos I have attached from this niche. Each one should be unique. And ChatGPT will come with the perfect ideas for this niche. Next one is this channel called Bubble Brian that's literally blowing up, which is about brain rot news. Now listen, this one is wild. 40 videos in, and this dude is cooking. What does he do? He summarizes news, but not in the boring CNN way. I'm talking bite-sized, goldfish attention span content for people who live online and can't sit through a 10-minute news report. It's quick text on screen, short clips, and boom, done. Perfect for tech news, entertainment, or honestly, any industry where people want information fast. Next up, we've got something that honestly blows my mind: royal family gossip. Now listen, I don't know how many people on this planet wake up every morning thinking, man, I wonder what Prince Harry had for breakfast. But apparently, it's millions. There's a brand new channel in this niche that started 4 months ago. It already has 13,000 subscribers, pulling 1.6 million views, and is easily making at least 10K a month. What do? They just talk about drama in the royal family. That's it. Catherine does something, boom, upload. King Charles makes a weird face, boom, upload. Princess Kate spotted doing literally anything, viral. And here's what makes this niche a cheat code. Huge built-in audience. People have been obsessed with the royals for decades. Low competition. Very few channels are doing it at scale, high click-through rate. They're using big, bold images, showing clearly the faces and the emotions, and with a bold text and great titles. And the best part? You don't need a royal invite to create this content. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to pull the latest stories and write your script, 11 Labs for clean, professional narration, MidJourney or a diagram to create dramatic thumbnails that look like tabloid covers. That's literally all these channels are doing. They grab trending royal news, package it with a juicy title and thumbnail, and the videos absolutely take off. And here's the kicker. Because the royal family is always in the news, you've got endless video ideas. This niche is perfect if you want a cash printing machine without needing insane editing skills or even deep research. Now, I want to talk to you about something that can change your YouTube automation journey. I've recently created a private community where I share my exact blueprint how you can succeed on YouTube automation. The blueprint works, and for people who have already managed to join on my first launch, I've helped them get results within the first days of launching their channel. And some of them are soon going to monetize their channels. All of this by just following my guide, where I share all my knowledge and what I know for sure that have worked for me these past 18 months. We go on live calls where you can talk directly to me and get your answer directly. I will personally review your channel and give you ways on how to improve and grow faster. You will get exclusive prompts that I use to make millions of views. Plus, you get access to our private community where you can meet other people who are already making big success with this. So if you were tired of looking at all that content online but never having success, you can join the waitlist for the next launch. The numbers are limited, so make sure you secure your spot. Now, let's continue with the 4th niche. So next one is about prehistoric science. If you're even a little bit nerdy, this is huge. There's a channel right now with only 11 videos that already has 20,000 subscribers. Their last video got more than 260,000 views and was posted only 10 days ago. And get this, Their most popular upload have over 1 million views and was published only 1 month ago. That's insane for a channel that's barely 2 months old. How are they doing this? AI tools. They're not filming dinosaurs in their backyard. They're using tools like MidJourney or Leonardo AI or even VO3 to generate those cinematic, documentary-style visuals. And when it comes to research, they're literally using ChatGPT's deep research mode. This niche is a goldmine because it's educational, it's curiosity-driven, and you can 100% automate it with AI images, AI narration, and an editor who just pieces it all together. All right, let's talk about a niche that's criminally underrated, but absolutely printing money right now: show analysis. There's a channel I found that started 4 months ago, and it's already pulling hundreds of thousands of views per upload. What do? They literally break down TV shows and cartoons. Basically all the stuff fans are dying to know after watching an episode. You don't need to be a Hollywood director for this. You just need to love a particular show or be smart enough to research what's trending. Here's why this niche slaps. Insane demand. When new seasons drop, fans rush to YouTube to understand every detail. Evergreen content. Even old shows like Breaking Bad or Game of Thrones still get millions of views when analyzed. Multiple revenue streams. AdSense, sponsorships from streaming services or merch brands, affiliate links for collectibles, it's endless. And here's how you build it. ChatGPT writes the episode breakdown script for you. Stock clips plus fair use footage, or even AI-generated visuals, cover your narration. 11 Labs gives you that smooth commentary voice. Add some engaging editing, and boom, you've got binge-worthy videos that fans can't stop watching. The beauty of this niche? Every new episode equals fresh video idea. And fans aren't just watching one. They binge the entire playlist because they want to know everything about the show. Now this next niche, AI cartoon documentaries. There's a channel right now fully running on autopilot. No face, no filming, no camera crew, just AI, everything. And get this, their videos are pulling thousands of views, some hitting 6 figures in revenue over a few uploads. How does it work? They take a documentary-style topic, could be history, true crime, science, even conspiracy theories, and instead of doing a boring slideshow or stock footage edit, they use AI to turn it into a cartoon documentary. Here's the setup. ChatGPT writes a full story-driven script. 11 Labs voices it with clean, documentary narration. Tools like Runway ML or Pika Labs animate AI-generated characters and scenes. Then it's stitched together in CapCut or Premiere to feel like an animated docuseries. Because AI is doing 90% of the work, you can pump out episodes faster than traditional animation studios. And for those who are going to ask if these videos are allowed due to the changes on YouTube policies, well, there were not changes to their policy, they just reinforced an already existing policy that they have. And here it's stating that channels can still use AI. So the answer is yes, you can create video using AI. And this is one of those niches that a year from now, you're gonna wish you started when it was still fresh. All right, this one is next level. If you've ever been fascinated by dinosaurs, mammoths, or animals that vanished millions of years ago, this niche is going absolutely crazy right now. There's a channel called Extinct Zoo that started just about a year ago, and they've already blown past 1 million subscribers. Yeah, 1 million. And what's wild? It's faceless. It's not a scientist on camera with a lab coat. It's a voiceover telling incredible stories about creatures that no longer walk the earth, brought to life with cinematic AI visuals. Here's why this works. Huge curiosity factor. People love learning about prehistoric life and extinct species. High CPM. Educational science content gets better ad rates. Evergreen videos, once you post them, they get views for years. How they're doing it? Scripts are written using deep research AI to pull fascinating lesser-known facts. Images of extinct animals are generated with Leonardo AI or MidJourney. Voiceovers are done in 11 Labs with a natural, documentary tone. The final video feels like something you'd see on National Geographic, but it's made by one person on a laptop. And here's the kicker. These videos aren't short. They're 20-25 minutes long, which means more ads inside each video, which means way more money. I've seen channels in this niche easily pulling 50 to 60,000 a month just talking about creatures that disappeared millions of years ago. So imagine this. You start today, and 1 year from now, you've got a 1 million subscriber channel making life-changing money while you're literally just telling cool animal stories from your couch. This niche is a gold mine. That's it. These are some of the best niches that I have found recently and wanted to share with you. Comment down below your favorite one from this video and let me know if you are going to join any of it. And if you want to really succeed on YouTube automation, you can join the waitlist for my private community and secure your spots so you can get the same results the other like-minded people are getting in the community. Like and subscribe to this video so I can continue making videos for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.